Hi everybody, Andy here with thetrailer.com. Let's take a quick look at this Tecma ceramic standard height elongated bowl Silence Plus 2G macerating RV toilet. Now, unlike the compact RV toilets that can feel a little cramped, this one has a full-size porcelain bowl that's going to feel much closer to home. So this is going to be, as you can see here, solid porcelain here. And it does have some weight to it. It's about 55 pounds, maybe a little bit over. I needed help to make sure I got it safely onto my tabletop here. So you do want to double check your bathroom space before you order. Looking at the overall height, we're right at 18 1/8 inches tall. And then the overall width from end to end, about 15 3/8 inches wide. And then the overall depth, about 20 1/8 inches deep. The footprint dimensions are going to be 11 1/8 inches wide by 15 7/8 inches deep. So again, that's going to be the footprint dimensions. The inlet pipe is going to be 1/2 inch FPT, and the outlet pipe is going to be 1.5 inches outer diameter. And you do want to make sure that you have enough room between the wall and the black tank connection, and measure for both height and width if you're replacing a standard RV toilet. So behind the scenes, the pump is going to grind waste and paper so it flows evenly into your black tank. Each flush is going to help stop clogs, making dump day faster and less stressful. And with the included tank sensors wired to the toilet's control panel, you're going to know exactly when it's time to clean things out. Now you're going to be able to set the water use between 0.1 and 0.7 gallons per flush, and then you're just going to let the system do the rest of the work for you. Once programmed, it's going to deliver a fresh rinse from your RV's freshwater tank every time, and that's going to help save water off-grid and keep odors in check. You're going to be able to reset the setting later if your needs change. And a built-in solenoid valve with anti-siphon breaker is going to protect your drinking water supply with a simple button press. So you're going to be able to get reliable flushing without foot pedals or hand pumps. So this Italian ceramic bowl doesn't just look great, it's going to be made to resist stains and odors. It's less likely to scratch than plastic. The glossy surface is going to be very easy to wipe clean, and wipe it clean fast as well, so you're going to spend less time scrubbing. So this is going to connect to your existing black tank with wiring and plumbing that's going to be able to be tucked out of sight for a tidy professional install. And this is going to be a little bit more of an involved installation, so you do want to plan on some extra time with the extra wiring that's going to be included with this, and plan on some extra plumbing steps as well if you're going to be upgrading from like a standard gravity toilet. Most RVers make this a weekend project, I've read, so you know it's a good idea to maybe set some time aside, maybe like a weekend with some basic tools. You do want to keep in mind too that each Tecma macerating toilet requires its own circuit breaker fuse. So the required amperage is going to be a 30 amp circuit breaker. So do keep that in mind as well. You are going to get instructions and a template here to help you get this in place. And if you happen to have any other additional questions, especially if there were some questions or concerns that you had that I didn't cover with you today, don't hesitate to reach back out to us. Ultimately, we do want to be sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. I did fail to mention about the seat and the lid. This is going to be like not a flexible material at all. This is like a standard seat and lid that you would have at home, and which is different from a lot of RV toilets that you see. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.